What are you doing?
I'm plugging up this heat blanket because I'm cold. What are you doing?
I'm bringing you an apple. You want an apple?
Munir, I don't want to eat anything. I already ate. I had lunch, I had breakfast, and I had 2 snacks. We've had enough food.
Okay.
You have had enough too.
I'll eat it myself then. Hey. You want some cornbread?
No, thank you, sweetheart. I don't want any more food. I've had enough.
I'll eat it myself. Hey, you want some tea?
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
No, thank you.
Okay. Hey, you want some cheese and crackers?
No, thank you.
I'm gonna eat it myself. Hey, you want a peanut butter sandwich?
No, thank you, Munir.
Okay, I'll eat it myself. Hey, you want a baked sweet potato?
No. No sweet potatoes. No. What else did you have earlier? Is this done? It ain't even done. You're just messing with me. You're just trying to drive me crazy.
No, if you want, I can bake it.
No, thank you, Munir. Please
Okay.
don't bake me a sweet potato.
Okay, I'll bake it myself then. Hey, you want some brownies?
I'm so full, Munir. I can't even think straight. Thank you for asking.
Okay, I'll eat it myself. Hey, you want a mango? I can cut it up for you. Okay. Huh?
How are
Yeah.
you still alive, Munir? How are you still alive right now?
What?
Because you're driving me crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it myself. Hey, want some candied ginger?
Yeah. I
Yay!
only want one.
It worked. I fed you again. I'll eat the rest myself. Hey, you want some sardines?
Munir, are you...
Where?
No thank you to the sardines, to the apple, to the grape juice, to the what else is on your list?
What?
You need somebody to talk to? If I finish it, I can talk to you in like 10 minutes, I promise. Is that what you want?
No, I don't want to. I just want to feed someone.
Why don't you go over there and take that stove apart and put it back together or something?
Okay.
Hey, you bored. You're bored. Okay, what else could you do? Oh, I know. Do some inventory. How many of those little crepe boxes did you put the crepes in? How many of those do you have?
I don't have that
Count
many.
Something.
I know. I have 10. Business is slow right now.
You. Oh wow. What else could you do? The laundry's done. The place is clean.
I go eat this.
Oh,
Then.
you could mop. You could mop. Oh,
Okay.
wait. Oh, you heard that? I coughed. Do I have it? Do I have the corona?
Uh-oh.
Wait.
I'm gonna go eat this far away from you.
Is that a snack or is that another meal?
What's the difference?
We had lunch. What is that? What do you call in between lunch and dinner? Because it's 3:58 right now. What do you call that meal?
A meal? Food?
That's your pre-lunch?
Yeah.
Oh, it could be your happy hour. Is it your happy hour? Is that
Okay.
your happy hour snack?
It can be whatever it wants.
That's a shame.
Okay. I'm gonna go eat this. Hey. You want some almonds, hazelnuts, and chocolate?
No, thank you. Wait, yeah, maybe I do.
Yay! Finally, you took something. Yay! Now I feel better.
Maybe I want.
I fed someone today. Woohoo!
Is this because you miss work?
Yeah, I'm in the feeding business.
I'm in the feeding business.
I'm gonna eat this the rest of myself. Like and subscribe, because there's more coming.